Hey adventurers, what do you get when you mix 100-degree heat, 5 national parks, suspicious phone calls from your daughter's boyfriend, and 2 daughters engaged in one summer?
Well, let's find out. This trip has arches, waterfalls, a temple, butterflies, hoodoos, and one very sneaky future son-in-law. Bring on Southern Utah, baby.
We've been hanging out in northern Utah for a while, so we decided it was time to head down south where it was nice and hot.
And by nice and hot, we mean, why is the steering wheel melting kind of hot?
We might be crazy, but hey, summer in southern Utah means national parks.
What? I mean, it's alright, like...
On our drive down, we realized Capitol Reef National Park was just a short detour.
And yet, somehow, after living in Utah for 20 years, we'd never seen it. Yeah, how does that even happen? It's wild how you can miss treasures in your own backyard.
There are beautiful rock formations, stunning desert views, and then that arch.
Totally awesome. And the girls found this cool little room carved into the rock.
Which also happened to be the only shade for miles, so of course they liked it.
Well, it was a little hot.
Scorching.
Okay, scorching is accurate. It is summertime in southern Utah though, so what did we expect? Finally, we made it. Brian Head. We love it here.
We've stayed here before, and it's amazing. And it's centrally located so you can day trip to a bunch of national parks.
And it's beautiful all on its own. With these mountains, somewhat cooler air, and pine trees, it's like southern Utah's little secret mountain retreat. We've heard that Cedar Breaks at sunset was magical, so naturally, we had to go and check it out.
And it did not disappoint.
We got there just in time. Golden light, perfect photos. And then, the storm clouds rolled in.
We beat the rain by minutes. Total sunset victory.
See those rocks down there? How they're kind of like almost column or whatever? These ones here. That's kind of like what Bryce Canyon was like.
Next up, back to one of our all-time favorites, Zion's. Last time we were here, I was 5 months pregnant with Eden.
That hike was definitely different back then. Angel's Landing was way harder.
This time, we took the girls to the Emerald Pools. It did have some steep, rocky sections and crazy stairs. And this time of year, sadly, not much of a pool.
Too hot. But there was a light rain coming off the waterfall cliff. Magical, like a little slice of heaven on a hot day.
It's one of those hikes that reminds you why people travel all over the world to come here. Beautiful.
Smile. Look how beautiful. My goodness.
While we were in the area, we decided to visit the Cedar City Temple.
Absolutely beautiful. Another bucket list check. At this rate, I might actually be able to visit every temple in the world. Fingers crossed. We've been to the Grand Canyon before, and this time we visited the North Rim.
Different vibe, fewer crowds, stunning trails.
So the girls were slightly tired of hiking by this point.
But guys, this is the canyon, the one people fly across the ocean to see.
So we told the girls, we'll just do a short hike.
Mwahaha!
But then we told the girls we may have slightly underestimated it. But we made up for it by taking them to the lodge where they could cool down, get rested up, and take a bathroom break. And while I was sitting outside waiting for everyone to come back, a butterfly landed next to me and stayed.
Bench buddy.
Yeah, he was just chilling. It felt like a little moment of calm in the middle of a grand adventure. Now, one afternoon while we were just relaxing at the condo, the phone rang.
What do you do when your daughter's boyfriend calls out of nowhere?
You get suspicious.
Very suspicious.
He asked us for our blessing, and of course, we gave it.
And just like that, Annalie got engaged.
Second daughter engaged.
2 weddings in 1 year.
Did you call it? Because now we're planning another wedding. Wow. Back up north. Oh, but wait. One last place to visit, and this one, my favorite. Bryce Canyon National Park.
Hoodoos everywhere.
The coloring, the formations, the Valley of Pillars. At least that's what I call it. I'm sure it has a cooler name, but I absolutely love it.
In the tunnel when you enter, you just know something epic is coming.
We've been here multiple times, and it never gets old. Always new trails, new angles, new views.
me va a goma.
And of course, Kyla gets to chase the squirrels.
She's either finding bugs or chasing squirrels. It's just how she rolls. Vacation's not quite over yet, but now we have to help Annalie move out because her lease is almost up.
And she's living with us for a while we plan the wedding.
Back up north we go. Bye, Southern Utah. You were beautiful and hot. Very hot.
This trip had everything: heat, hiking, butterflies, and engagements.
It's crazy how fast life moves. One minute we were hiking Angel's Landing, pregnant with one kid, and then the next minute we're planning weddings for 2 others.
And that's why we travel. Not just to see places, but to live fully in the moments in between.
Here's the recap. Capitol Reef, a surprise detour. Bryan Head Base Camp. Cedar Breaks Sunset. Zion's Emerald Pools. Cedar City Temple. North Rim of the Grand Canyon. A Butterfly Bench Buddy. Annalie got engaged. Bryce Canyon Hoodoos, and Kylie versus the Squirrels.
And if you love national parks, spontaneous detours, and wedding announcements, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell.
Because 2024 is officially the year of real estate and weddings, and we're only halfway through.
Any guesses where we're headed next? Drop it in the comments.
Adventurepreneurs out.